Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am Shivam Kumar Bhatnagar. Today I will discuss the types of integration testing in detail. Let's discuss. There are 4 types of integration testing. 1. Top-down integration. 2. Bottom-up integration. 3. Bidirectional integration. 4. System integration. Let's discuss about top-down approach. The top-down model is a system design approach where the design starts from the system as a whole. The complete system is then divided into smaller sub-applications with more details. Each part again goes through the top-down approach till the complete system is designed with all the minute details. The top-down approach is also termed as breaking a bigger problem into smaller problems and solving them individually in a recursive manner. As the main module or routine is emphasized first in this type of testing, and then the testing for sub-modules and sub-routines is executed, it is called top-down integration testing. Let's take some points. 1. In the top-down model, the focus is on breaking the bigger problem into smaller ones and then repeating the process with each problem. 2. It is followed by structural programming languages like C, Fortran etc. 3. It has a high ratio of redundancy as the size of the project increases. 4. It has tight coupling issues and low interactivity between various modules. 5. It is based on the decomposition approach. Let's discuss about bottom-up approach. The bottom-up model is a system design approach where the parts of a system are defined in detail. Once these parts are designed and developed, then these parts or components are linked together to prepare a bigger component. This approach is repeated until the complete system is built. Bottom-up testing is also considered an incremental method where 2 or more sub-modules or sub-routines are combined and tested first. Then gradually, the main module is tested. This is also the reason why it's called bottom-up integration testing. Let's take some points. 1. In the bottom-up model, the focus is on identifying and resolving the smallest problems and then integrating them to solve the bigger problem. 2. It is mainly used by object-oriented programming languages like Java, C++, etc. 3. It is better suited as it ensures minimum data redundancy and the focus is on reusability. 4. It has high interactivity between various modules. 5. It is based on a composition approach. The advantage of the bottom-up model is in making decisions at a very low level and in deciding the reusability of components. Let's discuss about bidirectional. Bidirectional means that the data is transferred between system P and system Q, i.e. in both directions. For example, you can seamlessly continue your process that starts in system A in real time in system B and run it back to system A again. It is a kind of integration testing process that combines top-down and bottom-up testing. With experience in delivering bidirectional testing projects, custom software development services provide the best quality of deliverables right from the development of the software process. This testing is a vertical incremental testing strategy that tests the bottom layers and top layers and tests the integrated system in the computer software development process. Using stubs, it tests the user interface in isolation as well as tests the very lowest level functions using drivers. It combines bottom-up and top-down testing. Let's discuss the process of bidirectional testing. Bottom-up testing starts from the middle layer and goes upward to the top layer. For a very big system, the bottom-up approach starts at a subsystem level and goes upwards. Top-down testing starts from the middle layer and goes downward. For a very big system, the top-down approach starts at the subsystem level and goes downwards. A big band approach is followed for the middle layer. From this layer, the bottom-up approach goes upwards and the top-down approach goes downwards. Advantages. This approach is useful for very large projects having several projects. When development follows a spiral model and module itself is as large as a system. Both top-down and bottom-up approach starts at the start of the schedule. It needs more resources and big teams for performing both methods of testing at a time or one after the other. Disadvantages. It represents a very high cost of testing as a lot of testing is done. It cannot be used for smaller systems with huge interdependence between different modules. Different skill tests are required for testers at different levels as modules are separate systems handling separate domains. Let's discuss about system integration. System integration testing, SIT, is performed to verify the interactions between the modules of a software system. It deals with the verification of the high and low-level software requirements specified in the software requirements specification, data and the software design document. It also verifies a software system's coexistence with others and tests the interface between modules of the software application. In this type of testing, modules are first tested individually and then combined to make a system. For example, software and/or hardware components are combined and tested progressively until the entire system has been integrated. Why do system integration testing? It helps to detect defect early. Earlier feedback on the acceptability of the individual module will be available. Scheduling of defect fixes is flexible, and it can be overlapped with development. Correct data flow. Correct control flow. Correct timing. Correct memory usage. Correct with software requirements. Let's discuss more details of SIT. How to do system integration testing. It's a systematic technique for constructing the program structure while conducting tests to uncover errors associated with interfacing. All modules are integrated in advance, and the entire program is tested as a whole. However, during this process, a set of errors is likely to be encountered. Correction of such errors is difficult because isolation causes is complicated by the vast expansion of the entire program. Once these errors are rectified and corrected, a new one will appear, and the process continues seamlessly in an endless loop. To avoid this situation, another approach is used, incremental integration. We will see more detail about an incremental approach later in the tutorial. There are some incremental methods like the integration tests conducted on a system based on the target processor. The methodology used is black box testing. Either bottom-up or top-down integration can be used. For example, if software only is being tested, then it is called software-software integration testing, SSIT, and if both hardware and software are being tested, then it is called hardware-software integration testing, HSIT. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.